Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading and writing CSV files using pandas is a common task in data analysis and data manipulation. Pandas provides easy-to-use functions to handle CSV files efficiently. Below is a tutorial that explains how to read and write CSV files with pandas, along with code examples. Hashtag reading CSV files with pandas. 1. Import pandas. First, you need to import the pandas library in your Python script. 2. Read CSV file. Use the pd_read_CSV function to read the contents of a CSV file into a pandas data frame. 3. View data frame. You can display the contents of the data frame by simply printing it. Hashtag writing CSV files with pandas. 1. Export data frame to CSV. Use the to_CSV function to write the contents of a data frame to a CSV file. 2. Check the output file. The data frame will be saved as a CSV file named output.csv in this example. Hashtag full code example. Here's a complete code example that reads a CSV file named input.csv, performs some operations on the data, and then writes the modified data to a new CSV file named output.csv. By following the steps outlined above, you can easily read and write CSV files with pandas in Python.